All right, we are on day 4 of 4. There's 4 workouts of winter workouts to build that fine summer body, all right? We are in the 4th one, and we are going to be doing 3 circuits. One is going to be a cardio, going hard. The other is going to be weights, also going hard. And then lastly, another cardio, all right? So let's get it going. All right, we have made it. We are on day 4, and we need dumbbells. So grab some dumbbells. Make sure they are a challenging weight. We are going to be doing deadlifts, lunges, squats, bicep curls, tricep extensions, and presses. So we're getting a full body weight to chisel it out. What else is going to help us chisel it up is some cardio, okay? So it's gonna be sandwiched in between the cardio. The weights sandwiched in between 2 cardios, okay? So let's get going. We're just gonna warm it up. Let's take 3 minutes to warm up that body again. I'm gonna say it over and over. A good warm up makes for a good workout, girl. Let's go, come on. Knees up, knees high, chest up, chest high, chin up, chin high. Standards high, everything high. Good, all right. So when you are marching, I want you to make sure that those elbows are grazing the sides of your body. Everything's forward, we're not out here, we're here. Good. All right, let's take it into a nice, easy jog, nice, easy pace. Yeah. My kids call this grandma pace. Mom, are you running at grandma pace today? I say, yes, Sunny, we are. Because grandmas kick some booty too, so it's okay. Stay right here. Good. Make yourself nice and tall. Drive off the ball of the foot. Good, good, good. Abs are super tight. Nice. All right, let's warm up those upper bodies now, okay? We're gonna take it to a little standstill with the feet. Push out, bring it in. Push it out, bring it in. Everything I say is like a song. Push it out, bring it in. Push it out, bring it in. Now push it up, bring it in. Back out and bring it in. Up and out and up and out. Go faster, up and out and up and out. Let's go, up and out. 4 more times, let's go. And 3, 2, 3, messed up my counting. I'm so good, I messed up. All right, that didn't make any kind of sense, but let's go ahead and start. We got jacks, climbers, push-ups, plank jacks, and bicycle abs, okay? 3, 2, 1, jumping jacks, go. Yeah, let's go. Good job. Now, from here, I want you to make those movements nice and big. Make yourself huge. Now, yep, there you go, come on. Let's go, 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, hit the ground, we got climbers. Now, I want you to try to stay stabilized in that core. Good. Push down into the floor with those hands. Good, grip on with those fingers onto that floor. Nice work. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. Okay, now we got plank jacks. We're gonna take it back down, straighten out those legs. We're gonna open and close. Open and close. Take it faster, go. Good, keep going, 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Turning it over, bicycle abs, okay? Bicycle abs, so your opposite elbow goes to the opposite knee. Make that leg nice and long and reach. Good, but the knee comes in towards the chest while the other leg is reaching out. Good. 10, 9, 8, good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, nice. 1, 1, good job. Cardio circuit 1, done. Going into the weights. All right, now, feet are going to be directly underneath those hips. We're gonna start with those deadlifts. So, micro bend in the knees, bend at that hip crease. Take it up, good, and bend. Take it up, nice. Keep that neck nice and long. Good. And a tip, pro tip for you. You want good form, I want you to find a focal point on that floor, maybe between 3 and 4 feet away from you, or yeah. And I want you to look at that, and you're going towards that spot. Good. And I want you to use some heavy, challenging weights right here. Down and up. You can even use a barbell on this workout if you so choose. Good work. 5 more. Nice. 3. Yep. And 2. 1 more. Make it so beautiful and pretty. Yes. Beautiful, pretty reps. Make beautiful and pretty results. We got squats, and you guys know I love my front rack position, but you can always be right here down low. Front rack, I put my weights right on my shoulders. Unless it's heavy, I actually rest it on the shoulders. But for now, we're here, taking it all the way down in that squat, standing it all the way up. Good. Full range of motion is the best range of motion. There's no other range, right? All the way up, all the way down. Unless sometimes you bodybuild, then you can do like mid reps and focus on getting that pump. But right now, I want you to use a full range. Down and up. 2 more, come on. Down and up. Last one, let's go. Nice. All right, now we got bicep curls. Roll the shoulders down and back, and we're just curling up and down. After this, we gotta hit those lunges. I'm gonna go back to legs. Good. Now, with the biceps, my elbows are slightly forward in front of the body's midline. I open up that elbow pit and close it all the way up. Big full range of motion. Good work. 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. And again, if you have a variety of weights, different weights, use those. Use it to your advantage so you can choose what is going to challenge you for each move. All right, now we got lunges, okay? They're gonna be reverse lunges. We're stepping back. Good. Again, you can keep the dumbbells down here. You can have them in a front rack. If you want to challenge yourself further, you could have them straight up in an overhead. It's totally up to you, okay? 2 more. 1, yes, and 2, good. All right, tricep extensions are next. We're gonna take 1 weight, grab it by the head, each hand on the head of the dumbbell, nice and straight, down, touch the back, all the way up. Straighten those arms as much as you can. Now the trick here, okay, I'm gonna give you the cheat code. Pretend you have a big beach ball or a small beach ball in between your elbows. Boop, squeeze it. Yeah, you do that, you're gonna hit those triceps really, really good. 1 more, 1 more. Actually, let's go 1 more bonus. Yep, there you go. Okay, lastly, we got presses. Bring those weights up. We're pressing up, all the way down. Pressing up, all the way down. We only got 4 more of these. 4, 3, good. 2, yeah, buddy. 1, nice. Put them aside, you don't need them anymore. We are going back to cardio. Let's go. Same thing. Start with those jacks, come on. Let's move it. 3, 2, 1. Mountain climbers, go. Yep, those transitions are smooth and fast. No rest. We're working here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Plank jacks, go. Nice work. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. All right, little surpriser. We're gonna do 1 push-up. Boom, that's it. That's just for fun. All right, turn it over, bicycle, abs. Boom, let's go. So for time, 10 seconds left. Push that leg out. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice work. All right, really quick stretch right here. We're gonna do some shoulders. So like a snow angel, but I like to call it a sweat angel. You should be sweating up and down. You're gonna feel that shoulder move inside of that shoulder socket. Nice, all right, 1 arm across, rotate the wrist. We were on the wrist. Rotate it, good, open up, switch, rotate. Last 2 stretches here. We're gonna take a hamstring stretch, pull the toe in, pull the leg in. You feel the back of the leg. The more you pull on that toe, the more you're gonna feel it. And quickly stretch. The next one. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Nice. Good. All right, last stretch. Figure 4. You're gonna take one ankle over the opposite knee, reach through that window, stretch it out and pull. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale again. On that exhale, we switch. Same thing on the other side. Roll it up. And congratulations, you did it. This is Coach Dee. Remember, like, share, subscribe, all of that. Love ya. See ya. Bye.